People who have only fans, what is stopping you from upgrading to an air conditioner? I like talking into it and sounding like a robot. I'm still waiting for my OnlyFans so I can afford one. I'm Korean and I enjoy the thrill of electric fans. You just don't get that genuine life or death scenario with Axe. Source: I'm an average fan enjoyer. It took me way too long to get this joke. I need more coffee. I can't have sex with an air conditioner. The sound of the fan drowns the deafening silence of dread in my life. I used to have aircon, but then I switched to only using fan as it really helps me wake up better in the morning. My mouth is less dry and it makes waking up easier too, since I won't drag my waking up from being too comfy.